The V200M bandsaw is manufactured in the United States in Oklahoma by him, a leader in the bandsawing industry. This machine is widely used in the fabrication, manufacturing, and metalworking industries where precision and reliability are essential. I'm David with Sawblade.com and Metal Sawing Technology, and today we're here at Houston Metal Sawing to talk about one of the most reliable and versatile machines in the industry. I'm talking, of course, about this V200M bandsaw machine. This is a vertical manual cutting bandsaw with a cutting capacity of 25 inches round and 25 inch by 40 inch rectangular. It's perfect for cutting castings, forging, solids, and billet solids with efficiency and accuracy. It excels in cutting materials like aluminum, stainless steel, Inconel, and carbon steel. The HemSaw V200M is driven by a heavy-duty 15 horsepower drive motor, a 5 horsepower hydraulic motor, powered blade tension, heavy-duty tabletop, and powered upper guide arm. Houston Metal Sawing utilizes the V200M for cutting collets, gate valves, plate, and dissecting or segmenting various types of material from 4130, stainless, and even Inconel. The head of this machine is locked into place from the factory for straight cuts only because of its primary focus of dissecting or segmenting. This saw has blade speeds from 20 to 30 surface feet per minute and can easily be changed with its variable frequency drive. The V200M we are looking at here is a standard model. The machine has been around for over 50 years, and many of these machines have sold worldwide. There are many saws still in production for over 30 to 40 years ago, so it must be a pretty good machine. The blade size for this machine is 22 foot 10 inches long and 2 inches wide, so let's talk about the blade we're running today. At Sawblade.com, we sell a lot of blades for the V200M, and right now we're using the Q601 M42 bimetal all-purpose bandsaw blade. This is the perfect blade for the chrome moly alloy steel 4145 we are cutting today. Because the Q601 blade offers incredible performance thanks to its M42 cobalt edge, ensuring fast cutting and long life. It can cut various sizes and shapes without needing blade changes, making it extremely versatile and cost-effective. This blade reduces vibration, increases blade life, and saves you time and money. At Sawblade.com, we offer the Q601 at competitive prices with fast delivery. The V200M has a 25-gallon coolant tank, and keep in mind that coolant is just as important as the blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is specifically designed for bandsaws cutting ferrous and non-ferrous metals. The C5200 is a synthetic coolant that is low foaming, corrosion resistant, and biodegradable. It enhances tool life and machine maintenance. It should be mixed at 8-to-1 ratio with water for optimal performance. The low foam rust preventative ingredients as well as mold and bacteria preventatives make the semi-synthetic fluid the obvious choice for production and operator safety. Q-Fluid's coolant helps in several ways. It lubricates the blade, reducing friction and heat. It also keeps cuts clean and smooth, but most importantly, extends the blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. Using an inferior coolant will result in high blade cost and poor performance. The C5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and cleaner cuts. Like a lot of high-end machines made, the V200M uses carbide blade guides to keep the blade aligned. These guides are really important. In fact, one of the most common reasons for crooked cuts is worn or damaged blade guides. Blade guides are critical for keeping your blade straight and aligned during operation. Keeping your carbide guides clean from chips and shavings and tightened properly without binding to a vertical position can keep the squareness and tolerance needed for your cuts. People don't like to change their guides because of the cost. It's true that OEM guides from the manufacturer can be expensive, but at Sawblade.com we offer black iron blade guides. The black iron PGA kit HEM V200 HEM guides, carbide guides, are more durable, perform better, and cost less. Replacing your guides regularly keeps your machine running smoothly and keeps your cuts perfectly aligned. This V200M machine is loaded with small features that to reduce your costs, but you have to pay attention and keep the machine maintained. I'm talking about the importance of the chip brush, like using a black iron 4-inch chip brush. This is the least expensive investment to reduce costs, and it is often overlooked. The black iron chip brush removes work-hardened chips from the blade teeth. If these chips aren't cleared, they can cause the blade to dull faster and produce poor quality cuts. The brush adjustment is simple. The brush should lightly contact the blade to clean off chips without wearing itself out. A chip brush is a small investment that pays off with longer lasting blades. So to recap, the V200M bandsaw is a versatile manual cutting saw with unmatched performance for fabrication and machine shops. Paired with the products and services from Sawblade.com, we can make this machine even more efficient. I'm David with Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problems, go direct.